Hello there, and welcome to our video today. We're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of investments. Our destination? The realm of dividend aristocrats. Despite the regal ring to it, this term is not as daunting as it sounds. It's a financial jargon that we'll be simplifying for you in the coming minutes. Picture this. Dividend aristocrats are like the rock stars of the stock market, consistently belting out hits for their fans, or in this case, their shareholders. They are the companies that have a proven track record of paying out dividends, which are essentially bonus checks for shareholders. They've been doing this reliably for a considerable length of time. Intrigued? Well, buckle up as we delve deeper into what makes these companies the aristocrats of dividends. So, let's get started. First off, what on earth is a dividend aristocrat? Well, it's not a royal title, it's actually a special designation for certain companies. Picture this. Imagine the world of stocks as a grand concert. In this concert, dividend aristocrats are the rock stars, the ones who have been consistently playing their tunes, come rain or shine. But what tune are we talking about here? It's the tune of dividends. A dividend is a portion of the company's profits that is paid out to shareholders. It's like a thank you note from the company for your trust in their performance. It's a way for companies to share their success with those who believed in them. So, dividend aristocrats are these rock stars that have been consistently belting out this tune of dividends. They have a track record of not just paying out dividends, but also increasing them year after year. This isn't a title simply up for grabs, it's earned. To become a dividend aristocrat, a company has to increase its dividend payout for at least 25 consecutive years. Now that's quite a performance. It's like a band releasing a hit album every year for 25 years straight. But why do they do this? Well, by consistently increasing their dividends, these companies demonstrate their financial strength and stability. It's like a rock star showing that they can keep up with the changing times, always ready to perform, always ready to deliver. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but what does this mean for me? Well, when you invest in a dividend aristocrat, you're essentially buying a ticket to their concert. You're becoming a part of their success story, and the best part? You get to enjoy the music, the dividends year after year. Imagine them as the rock stars of the stock market. They have a track record of paying out dividends consistently, and that, my friends, is the essence of being a dividend aristocrat. Now, how does a company become a dividend aristocrat? The answer lies in an impressive blend of consistency, financial robustness, and unwavering commitment to shareholders. It's a bit like being the lead singer in a band, constantly delivering hit after hit year after year. To be crowned a dividend aristocrat, a company has to meet some stringent criteria. It's not just about paying dividends, it's about increasing them. And not just for a year or two, but for a minimum of 25 consecutive years. That's a quarter of a century of steadily growing payouts, a testament to the company's financial strength and resilience. But the criteria don't stop there. A dividend aristocrat also needs to be a member of the S&P 500 index, which is like the VIP section of the stock market. This means the company is among the 500 largest US publicly traded companies. So, it's not just about longevity, but size matters too. Additionally, the company must show a certain level of liquidity, with an average daily trading volume of at least $5 million over the past 6 months. This ensures that the stock is easily tradable and not subject to extreme price swings due to low volume. So you see, becoming a dividend aristocrat isn't a walk in the park. It requires the company to showcase a strong balance sheet, robust earnings, and a commitment to consistently returning capital to shareholders. It's a title that comes with a high level of prestige and trust in the financial world. That's like hitting a musical milestone every year, a new record for reliability and stability in the financial world. Let's look at an example. Picture a company that's been around for a while, a household name in most parts of the world, Coca-Cola. Yes, the very same company that's been quenching our thirst for over a century. Beyond its fizzy drinks, Coca-Cola has also been consistently sweetening the deal for its investors. For over 30 years, Coca-Cola has been a dividend aristocrat, steadily increasing its dividend payout year after year. It's like they are serving a financial soda to their investors, one that fizzes with consistent returns. Their commitment to dividends reflects their strong financial health and their dedication to sharing profits with their shareholders. So if you invested in Coca-Cola, you'd not only enjoy their fizzy drinks but also a steady stream of dividend income. It's like getting a piece of the pie from a company that's been baking it successfully for decades. Now the pros of investing in dividend aristocrats are like the sweet melody of financial security. These companies are the epitome of consistency. having proven their reliability over at least 25 years. This reliability translates to predictable and steady dividend income, offering a cushion of comfort in the whirlwind world of investing. Another advantage is their resilience. Dividend aristocrats have weathered various economic storms, from recessions to market crashes, and have still managed to increase their dividends each year. This resilience can provide a sense of security, knowing that your investment is in a company that has stood the test of time. Moreover, investing in these companies adds a level of diversification to your portfolio. With dividend aristocrats spanning various sectors, they can provide a balance, reducing the risk of exposure to sector-specific downturns. Finally, remember that dividends can be reinvested, further compounding your returns over time. It's like having a steady beat in your financial portfolio. Of course, every melody has its off notes. The same can be said for investing in dividend aristocrats. While the steady stream of dividends can be music to an investor's ears, it's not always a harmonious journey. One potential downside is that these companies, being established and mature, may not offer the rapid growth potential of younger, more dynamic companies. Think of them as the seasoned musicians who consistently churn out hits, but may not top the charts like the latest pop sensation. Another note of caution: dividend aristocrats can lose their status. If they fail to increase their dividends for just 1 year, they're off the list. Remember, the stock market can be as fickle as the music industry. Lastly, while a steady dividend is a nice bonus, it's not the only factor to consider when investing. You should also look at a company's overall financial health, its market position, and future prospects. And remember, just because a company is an aristocrat today doesn't guarantee it will be one tomorrow. The music industry, or in this case the stock market, can be unpredictable. So, in summary, dividend aristocrats are like the classic hits of the investment world: reliable, consistent, and a source of comfort. They're the rock stars of the stock market, with a track record of paying steady dividends for at least a quarter of a century. That's right, these companies have been hitting the high notes and sharing their profits with shareholders for over 25 years, a testament to their financial stability and resilience. Think of it like a band that's been topping the charts year after year. It's no easy feat. It takes a certain level of financial prowess and reliability, much like our example, the globally recognized brand Coca-Cola. They've been sharing their fizzy success with investors for over 3 decades, demonstrating the kind of consistency and longevity that makes a dividend aristocrat. But as we've discussed, every tune has its offbeats. Investing in these companies may not always mean rapid growth, as they often march to a slower, steadier beat compared to younger, more dynamic stocks. It's crucial to recognize this before you decide to dance to their tune. And remember, while they may be aristocrats today, there's no guarantee they'll hold the title tomorrow. The stock market, like the music industry, can be unpredictable. Yet despite these potential drawbacks, the sweet melody of financial security that dividend aristocrats offer is hard to ignore. Their ability to weather economic storms and provide a steady income stream for investors is like a comforting, familiar refrain amidst the cacophony of the financial world. So, there you have it. We've taken a journey through the world of dividend aristocrats, understanding what they are, how they earn their title, and the pros and cons of investing in them. It's been a symphony of information, and we hope it's given you some valuable insights. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy investing.